In 2018 in Australia, nearly 3,000 women will be diagnosed with endometrial cancer. Nearly 500 women may die of this horrible cancer. In the last 35 years, the 5-year survivalship of women living with endometrial cancer has barely increased from its level of 80%. Therefore, new treatments are required for women living with endometrial cancer. Large-scale genome sequencing projects of endometrial cancers have revealed a particular genetic signature unique to endometrial cancers that we hope to exploit in this project. We have discovered that 25% of endometrial cancer samples have a mutation in a particular gene called CDCF. CDCF encodes a protein that is known as the master weaver protein of the genome. It controls how DNA folds and is organized within the nucleus of the cell. Its other role is in facilitating DNA repair. DNA repair is an essential process to repair errors and fix DNA strand breaks that could otherwise cause damage to a cell. PARP inhibitors are a new class of drug that have been shown to be particularly effective against ovarian and breast cancers that contain known defects, genetic defects in DNA repair, namely the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes. In this project, we are going to examine whether PARP inhibitors, those inhibitors that block DNA repair, will be effective in treating and killing CDCF mutant endometrial cancers. We will use 2-dimensional cell culture models and 3-dimensional cell culture models, as well as looking within the endometrium of CDCF mutant mice to see whether these mice have DNA repair defects and whether we can exploit that using PARP inhibitors as a new way to kill CDCF mutant endometrial cancers. We believe this is the new approach, using precision medicine, using drugs targeted to a particular genetic signature, a particular genetic profile. This is a new way that cancers are going to be treated in the future. And this will be part, a small but significant part of that effort. Over a number of years now, Tour de Cure have funded the research that we've done in our program. We are grateful for the support of Tour de Cure for our cancer research projects, and we are looking forward to working more closely with Tour de Cure in the future to develop potentially amazing research breakthroughs in cancer research. Thank you very much.